Ever heard a strange pinging or knocking sound coming from your car's engine? That unsettling noise could be engine knock, a serious issue that demands your attention. It's more than just an annoying sound. It's a warning sign that something is amiss deep within your engine's combustion chambers. Today, we're diving deep into the world of engine knock. We'll uncover what it is, explore its common causes, and most importantly, learn how to prevent it. At its core, engine knock, also known as pre-ignition or detonation, occurs when the air-fuel mixture ignites prematurely or unevenly. Normally, a spark plug ignites the mixture at a precise moment, but with knock, multiple flame fronts collide, creating a violent pressure wave. This uncontrolled explosion manifests as that distinctive pinging or knocking sound you might hear. It's literally your engine protesting. One of the most frequent culprits is using fuel with an incorrect octane rating. Octane measures a fuel's resistance to premature ignition. Lower octane fuels ignite more easily under compression, making them prone to knocking, especially in high-performance engines designed for higher octane. Next, carbon buildup. Over time, combustion byproducts can accumulate on pistons and valves, forming deposits. These deposits create hotspots, acting like tiny, uncontrolled glow plugs that ignite the air-fuel mixture before the spark plug fires, leading to knock. Faulty sensors can also be a major contributor. Your engine relies on a network of sensors to operate efficiently. A malfunctioning knock sensor, for instance, might fail to detect detonation, preventing the engine's computer from adjusting timing to compensate. An overheating engine significantly raises cylinder temperatures, making the air-fuel mixture more susceptible to pre-ignition. This can be caused by issues like a failing cooling system or low coolant levels, pushing the engine beyond its safe operating temperature. Advanced ignition timing is another critical factor. The spark plug is designed to fire at a very specific moment in the combustion cycle. If the timing is too advanced, meaning the spark fires too early, the fuel-air mixture ignites while the piston is still compressing it, causing knock. Finally, a lean air-fuel mixture can also trigger engine knock. Your engine needs a precise balance of air and fuel for optimal combustion. A lean mixture with too much air and not enough fuel burns hotter and faster, increasing the likelihood of detonation. The effects of engine knock are far-reaching and damaging. The uncontrolled explosions create immense stress on internal components. Over time, this can lead to catastrophic engine failure, reduced power output, and decreased fuel efficiency, costing you significant repair bills. Prevention is key. Always use the correct octane fuel specified for your vehicle. Regular maintenance, including spark plug and sensor checks, is crucial. Address any warning lights promptly and ensure your cooling system is in top condition to prevent overheating. If you suspect persistent engine knock, seek professional diagnosis immediately. Early intervention can save you from costly repairs down the line. Understanding engine knock and its causes empowers you to protect your vehicle. Your engine is the heart of your car. Treat it with the care it deserves. Drive safely and keep your engine running smoothly for years to come. Thanks for watching.